Traders, my name is AJ, and today I'm going to be showing you a 60-second option, actually two 60-second options I placed on the same expiry on the EUR-USD during a London session. Both of them were put options, and I'm going to basically go through with you why I placed two options, and basically in the comments down below you can add your 2 cents, and I'd like to hear what you have to think, whether it was a good idea or whether it was a bad idea, and we can get back to that after we look at the chart work. So this is MetaTrader, as you know by now, and this is the EUR-USD 1-minute chart. And as you can see over here, this is my candle which gave me my signal, because the stochastic and the RSI didn't really point to conditions that I would normally like. Usually I like to have the oversold conditions and then a sharp drop down. That usually gives me an entry. And overbought conditions, sharp drop down, oversold conditions, sharp drop movement up. Sorry, I'm getting myself mixed up here. Anyways, you understand what I mean, I hope. If I don't, I'll clarify myself in the comments. And so basically over here is where this candle over here was where I placed my 2 entries. Now what happened was that I placed my my first entry over here, just right at the base of this candle where it opened. And the truth is that it was not a very wise decision, because what ended up happening is that this candle, as you can see from the wick pierced all the way through the trend line that I'd drawn. So what I ended up doing was that in order to hedge myself and to prevent the loss that I would have had, I placed another put option over here right at the top of this candle. So what ended up happening is that the expiry is that both expiries ended up in the money, so it worked out well for me. But I wanted to hear in the comments whether you would agree with whether this was a smart strategy or a poor strategy. And for me, I think it's something I can use occasionally, but it's not something I'm going to use often, because doubling up on your trades it's sometimes wise, depending on if you see the trend or the trend movement or there's a sudden change against you. But in general, you only want to have so much risk, and so the risk I like to take is just one binary option at a time, no other binary options going on at the same time. That way I can focus solely on that chart, solely on on those time frames, and not be worried about whatever might be affecting the other underlying assets. Anyway, so please leave comments. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel and the Happy Forex's channel, because it's a great channel and you should definitely be subscribed. If you don't have a 24 option account, there's a link in the description that you can take you to 24 option. And what you can do is you can fund the account, and then you can ask in the live chat for a demo account, which they will happily keep refilling even if you flatten it several times over. And you can try a ton of different strategies and try even binary options in the 60-second variety that I use right now. And so don't be afraid of trying binary options, especially because you can, if you find after a couple of months by using demo that it's not for you, you can request your money to be returned to you, and they'll return your money to you. Maybe they might try to upsell you a little bit to maybe keep you in the game, but if you ultimately they'll let you take your money back, which is really nice. So that being said, I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you have a great trading day, and leave your comments in the description to let me know whether you think this hedging strategy is a good idea or not. All right, thanks so much. Have a good one.